Welcome back to HL Spent Pilates. Today we have an all-standing cardio workout. So that means we'll be working for intervals of 45 seconds, 10 seconds of rest, trying to move as quickly as you can to get those heart rates up. It's going to be short and sweet, and let's get right into it. Let's start first with a squat and an arm raise. So let's bring our legs hip distance apart. We're going to squat down, touching either knees or down here, and then come up. So you get to choose how low you want to go. Here we go. You can try to keep up with my pace or choose a pace that's comfortable for you. Ideally, we want to be moving quick here though. Great, let's bring the legs further apart. We're going to do a side raise with a side lift. So we're gonna come to the side, arm comes down, and then lift up, side raise. You can have your hand on your hip if you like. Let's stay on this side first. Here we go. Other side, hand on the hip, bring the other arm down, squat down, come back up. Okay, let's bring the legs together. Now we're gonna squat side to side while bringing the arms up so the elbows will be bent like this. Squat, as the arms come up, squat, come back up. You choose how low you wanna go. Let's go. Whew. Get my heart rate up. Now we're gonna do a lunge with a tricep extension. We'll stay on one side, come back. You can go all the way down if you like, or just a little bit. Extend the arms as you come up. Starting on one side, then go to the other. Let's begin. Switch sides. 10-second rest to rest those arms. Here we go. Remember, you can go just like putting the leg back there if you don't feel like you have enough balance or if it hurts your knees to go all the way down. Come up, shake that out. Next one, I want you to have a slight bend in your knees. We're going to come down, hinging at the hips, so try to keep the legs straight besides that bend. Up, down, come back up. Let's begin. Come up. Now we'll do a standing crunch, so arms are gonna be overhead. We're going to go lift the leg as that elbow comes closer, and then other side. Let's begin. Bring the hands down, take those shoulders out. Now bring the legs hip distance apart. We're going to do a calf raise with an arm raise. So we're going to lift up and come back down. Let's begin. Come down, shake that out. We have one last exercise. Bring your arms up for this. We're gonna do a walking squat. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna pulse. 1, 2, 3. And then go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Finish strong. I want you to know this is the second time that I'm refilming this because the first time I was weak. I was not coming down low at all. It's crazy how you think you're really low and then you watch it back and realize you're not really trying that hard, right? So don't be like me and try to go a little bit lower if you can. Stand up, shake that out. Everything is burning. Feels good. I'll add workouts that might be good pairing for these at the end of this video. They should be up now. I hope you enjoyed this workout, and I will see you next time.